This model kit review is of the Mig-15, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Monogram. Here we have the dimensions. We have some pictures of the finished model. Let's have a look. Can't see any other details there, so let's have a look inside. So this first sprue here, we don't see much in the way of detail on the inside of this cockpit. Here are our wheel well covers, our air intake for the jet engine, and here are our landing gear. Here's the inside of the wheel wells. We have some detail there. Here's our fuselage, which we have some little pits there that didn't quite fill. All raised panel line detail there. Here's the other side. Here, this looks like part of the nose, maybe the back of our cockpit. We've got some detail there. Here's the front of the air intake. We've got our stabilizer and wings. This is the top of the wing. Also raised panel line detail. Here are our wheels, and then other side of the fuselage we do have some molding lines there, and air brake areas here. Same, no real detail on the inside of that cockpit. Looks like this one's been started already. Here is our cockpit. We do have some detail there. Air brake. Here's our pilot. Fairly well molded, and part of our canopy, and there's the canopy. Okay, here are our decals. Fair number of detailed decals here, still in pretty good shape. Let's have a look at our instruction guide here. These are the colors needed. We start off with the cockpit, that's already been done, and the canopy base. We build the, I guess that's the nose wheel well, that piece that we saw earlier there. And we put all that inside the fuselage, and they recommend a post for the back. I don't like those, I usually like to weight the nose. And here we have our main gear going on. Flaps and fuel tanks, wings going on, and then guns. Here's our air brakes and stabilizer, canopy, and then decals. And looks like here's another version. So, all in all, decals are reasonably good. We do have some detail, but molding is okay, and the cockpit unfortunately doesn't have too much in the way of details on the inside of the fuselage, but this cockpit's not too bad.